When we speak of servers and batteries, a lot of customers think of the real-time clock coin battery, but the smart storage battery is related to the disk subsystems and the functions of the cache module. Now, let's replace one of these guys.
Before you start, shut down the server and unplug the power cord. Then remove the top cover. Near the back of the server you will see the RTC coin battery. And the smart storage battery we're about to replace is located just behind the hard disk backplane. Depending on the model, you will have to unplug some fans and a plastic holder. Then remove the battery from its holder. Once the cable of the battery is free, unplug the connector from the system board. To add the new battery, repeat the steps in reverse order. Note that Proline servers Generation 9 and above have just one smart storage battery that provides backup for all storage controllers. When ready, just power on the server.
Remember that a couple of days might be needed for the battery to charge. Thanks for watching.